Give me more of that, please. Yes, and a bit more vocal, please. Hey, hey, hey. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And Jeremy. How's the
A
singing?
little more vocal, we're good.
Okay.
Hey, you gotta go. Thank you very much.
Good. Okay, y'all give a nice welcome. We got Richard Tress, Dave Isaacs, and Jeremy Dean.
Yes, indeed. Good friends of mine. Yeah. You clap now, but you're going to be getting a standard ovation when it's all done like that. Jeremy Dean, he's a crooner in the group. Dave Isaac is the tuner. He can play anything with strings on it, and including heartstrings, I'm told. And, right? Yeah. And I'm the loony tuner. So, Jeremy, you might start with us?
All right. This will be A. If you don't play one, 2, 3.
Think about being on time when you got that little sparkle in your eye. I really can't afford to be late. There's some stuff at work, you know, that just can't wait. I can't take another excuse. I can't walk away from you. Don't look at me like that. No, I can't resist. That sexy in your eyes is impossible to miss. There'll be no turning back. So don't look at me like that. Bad enough, she looks so fine, wearing that old Clapton t-shirt of mine. When the sunlight plays on your hair, you make me want you, baby, just sitting there. You know I don't really wanna go home. Wouldn't take much, maybe stay home. Don't look at me. Don't look at me like that. No, I don't really wanna go home. Wouldn't take much, make me stay home. Don't look at me, oh, don't look at me like that. No, I can't resist. That sexy in your eyes, impossible to miss. There'll be no turning back. Don't look at me. Oh, don't look at me like that.
All right, Jeremy Dean.
Thank y'all.
How about something? Here's Dave Isaacs.
This is a train song. Laying low by the railroad yard, passing time, counting cars. When the moment's right, your place is better. You got to take the chance you get. Sunset in the western sky. Nearly dark, it's time to fly. Make a move for it's too late. Can't stay here, gotta get away. Boxcar tourist, 21st century hope. John the Brethren on the road. Make a rider on a wandering path with a whole life carried in a canvas sack. He won't be coming back. Well, the air brakes is about to roll. Hot-bounded like a locomotive. He gonna race to catch those metal wheels and ride the glory roll of steel. But grab the rumps and hold on tight. No, he ain't gonna die tonight. Yeah, the whistle howls, the metal groans. Feel the rush in his rat-meat bones. Boxcar tourist, 21st century hoper. Join the brethren of the road. Real rider on a wandering path. Oh, like out in a canvas sack. It won't be coming back now. He's tramplified, escaped an ordinary life, risk it all for a freedom ride, freedom ride. Boxcar tourist, 21st century hobo, join the brethren of the road. We'll ride around a wandering path. Oh, I'm carried in a canvas sack. He won't be coming back, no. He won't be coming back, no. Boxcar tourist, 21st century hobo. Join the brethren on the road. We'll ride around a wandering path. Oh, I'm carried in a canvas sack. He won't be coming back. He won't be coming back. He won't be coming back for a freedom ride. He won't be coming back for a freedom ride. Freedom ride. He won't be coming back.
Hey, Isaac.
Thank you,
How
folks.
you doing, babe? And here's Richard Dress.
Well, it's kind of nice to have these two guys over with some songs. I found a song I wrote called Guitar. I'm a guitar man. We didn't finish this.
We gotta do that now.
Well, I wrote this song out in Whites Creek, Tennessee with my man Dave. It's a real thing. Well, things ain't been the same down on Ingram Hall since old Robert Tolson had a stroke and said half of his hard-earned 12 acres by double wide handicap mobile homes. And on the day he came to sign those papers, he nodded to his lawyer, cousin Slick. He had a living well made with nephew Jay, though he could always go hunting on the other six. Pass it on. Someone he knew was gonna treat it like their very own. And it's too late to choose who to trust it to when the good Lord calls you home. So pass it on. Pass it on. Now Jake took his son out to Uncle Robert's beer stand. In the year that he turned 8, showed him how to aim grandpa's windshield.
he passed it on. Someone he knew was gonna treat it like the very own. Well, it's too late to choose who to trust it to when a good Lord calls you home. So pass it on. A mother's love, a hugger's hug, how to tie a tie, stand up straight, a firm handshake, what's the truth and what's a lie? Pass it on, baby. Give it away. No strings attached. Yeah, guitar, a lick, a fishing trip, grandma's wedding quilt, a smile, a kiss, a secret wish, the reputation your daddy built. Yeah, pass it on. Someone you know is gonna treat it like their very own. Well, it's too late to choose who to trust it to when the good Lord calls you home. So pass it on. Pass it on. Give it away.
Richard Turner's.
Thank you very
Come
much.
on, Richard. Here's Jeremy Dean.
Long day, baby. You made it through. Just think about your little darling. All the things you love to do. I just wanna hold you down. Round the world tonight.
boy's got some soul. It's a true story. The county was dry. They always had something to share, a little spark, pass around the fire. He had a way with words. Man of the world with a small town heart. A lot of living behind that smile. He heard voices in the mist over Black Mountain. Told their stories and he spoke for the land. Sang the mysteries, sing the wonders, sing the silence of these hills, and the poet on the mountain. He came home when he found what he was missing. Built a cabin and a history on his granddad's land. He wasn't blood, welcomed me like family, and in him I found connections in my past. I heard voices in the mist over Black Mountain. Told their stories as a man spoke to me. Said, sing the mysteries, sing the wonders, sing the silence of these hills, and the poet on the mountain. I hear his voice still in the mist over Black Mountain, ringing through the hollers and the pines. Say, sing the mysteries, sing the wonders, sing the silence of these hills, and the poet on the mountain, and the poet on the mountain.
Dave Isaacs.
Thank you, folks.
Here's Richard Dress.
One day my wife came from her very nice job and told me that she just did in a 1 year notice. 1 year notice? Nobody turns in a 1 year notice. So Jeremy and I sat down and we said, man, that's ridiculous. I said, yeah, but I love that woman. I think I'll give her a 100-year notice. What do you think? Oh, yeah. See if I can remember it. I wrote down a few short lines last night. Tell you, girl, it's on my mind. I know a lawyer, yeah, that's true. But I hope they ready. I'm a man of my word. Solid and steady. I work hard to show how much I care. Don't you know, baby, there's only so much a man can do. Oh, I'm giving my 100-year notice to you. We both said some hurtful things last night. Step back to back after turning out the lights. But in that darkness, I saw clearly down the road just how far and long I can go. So I'm giving my 100-year notice. Baby, get ready. I'm a man of my word. Solid and steady. I work hard to show how much I care. But don't you know, baby, there's only so much a man can lose. I'm giving my 100-year notice to you. I know sometimes it's hard living together. We can make this deal work if it takes forever. I'm giving my 100-year notice. Baby, get ready, 'cause I'm a man of my word. Solid and steady, I work hard, know how much I care. Don't you know there's only so much a man can do. I'm giving my 100-year notice to you. Thank you very much. Jeremy sings it. Yeah.
All good.
Not to my
Thank you
wife,
so
you know.
much. Appreciate it.
Not to my wife, you know.
Let's see. I'm doing fun. Well, I'll finish up with the fun one here. We got love deeper, be a little sweeter, be better than we were the day before. We don't have to fight, we won't always be alright, but together we can open any door. Those ugly fears become healing tears, lifting spirits in a broken world. We got love deeper, be a little sweeter, be better than we were the day before. We don't have to fight, we won't always be alright, but together we can open any door. Every choice we make, there's a chance we take, there's something greater will only fail us more. little sweeter, be better than were the day before. We don't have to fight, we won't always be alright, but together we can open any door. Yeah, together we can open any door. Thank you so much, appreciate you.
Richard, thank you for having us out. Thank you for the invite. Debbie, as always, thank you for having us. And you lovely people out there, thank you for listening. Richard, you know this, and you're going to play some harmonica on this. I'm in the key of G. And I have a fantastic memory of my 2-year-old granddaughter playing drums on this song at your place
Well,
years
this is
ago.
God's favorite key, you know.
That's right.
Jesus.
Well, you know, when we get to going good. When I get to going good, really get to going good. When I get to going good, I holler at the sky. I run around, hang around, up and down, here and there. I don't care anywhere till I'm on the job. Once I get to going good, I really get to going good. Start myself all night long, like anybody should celebrate. That my time never stop and question why. My reason justified is a thing I can. When I get to going good, I really get to going good. When I get to going good, I holler at the sky. I don't care anywhere till I'm on the job. Richard. Bleeding out, weeding down, sure enough, succeeding in quest is what you make. Take it where you can, feeling fit, feeling fine, waiting till the sun is shine. No more baby in your mind, now don't ride with me. When I get to going good, I really get to going good. When I get to going good, I holler at the sky. I run around, hang around, up and down, here and there, I don't care. Anywhere till I finally drop. Give you a breakdown. Only thing I need to know, there's a come, there's a go, rain and fall, with a go, just the way it is. People worry, people fight, people travel all their night. Some gonna get it right, what they gotta do. When I get to going good, really get to going good. Get to going good, I holler at the sky. I run around, hang around, up and down, here and there. I don't care anywhere till I got to drop. Take it on, boys.
Hey, Isaacs. Hey, Robin. And we got one with a Richard dress.
Oh, thank you, baby.
The altitude just got higher.
We got him going. I'm gonna slow him down a little bit. Who's next, man? I'll tell you what. I'll do them a favor. I'll play something that's phenomenal. I did get a cut recently up in Canada. I love it. I love these guys.
Hey!
Hey, anybody from Canada? Hey! Well, you look up Henry Taylor. He's my friend up there. He might as well. He's Neil Young. Yeah, probably, all y'all know each other, right? I don't know if he's from the French side or he's from the plaid side of Canada. You know, he wears plaid and logger hats. It's all about a girl getting away. Large black coffee to go. She fills up that dusty getaway GTO. You hoping that Detroit muscle can break a chain. That town won't pull her back. It ain't she's on the road. Her mom. It's a young girl's freedom revival. She won't need to beg on borrow. With a shoebox of money for her survival. For her survival. Yesterday, just a stain on the rear view mirror. He was a crook, someone she lived in fear of. Law came and they took him away. She knew what he hid in a barn down on a go-loose place on the road. It's a young girl's freedom revival. She won't need to beg or borrow. With a shoebox of money for her survival. For her survival. They tell me a shoebox can hold $250,000. $100 bill. So when the sun rises on her horizon, for the first time in a while, she feels alive again. If she can just make it past that next state line, she knows that everything's gonna be just fine on the road. Her mom. It's a young girl's freedom revival. She won't need to beg or borrow. With a shoebox of money for her survival. With a shoebox of money for her survival. Yeah. For the first time in a while, he feels alive again. With a shoebox of money for her survival.
Richard Travis. Richard Travis, Dave Isaac, Jeremy Dean. That's a good round, y'all. Thank you.
Thank you.